Hi, welcome back to another episode of my Orion Micro Welder adventures. Body jewelry is lots of fun, and it's even more exciting when it's permanent, and that's all the rage right now. So here's another episode of more designs that I've made. I hope you like it. So we want to make sure that it goes over the knuckle. I'm going to try just make sure that she can slip it on. Okay. Then I cut. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to put in the other chain. And then let it drape. So I make sure that I do this and I close it like such. And then I'm going to that's 7.5. There we go. So now what we do is we put this on her finger. Now we have something like this. And what we want to do is to do a chain this way while we have the bracelet. Okay, so we're going to do the same thing. So we want to make sure that there's enough room. And we want to straighten this. So we've done this chain. Now we want to make sure that, and make sure that it's not too tight. Okay. Okay. So we've got all three of them. And close the jump ring properly, like such. And then we use my piece of suede. Make sure the seam is exposed. Okay, and then there we go. And now make sure that it works. Then I trim, because otherwise I could easily trim off the jump ring. Okay, can you curl up your wrist to make sure that you can do it? It's not restrictive. Perfect. Okay, so now I'm going to trim off the excess. And voila. Now, the reason why this is permanent is it's not going to be long enough for you to take it off. However, if you do want, you can actually put in a clasp so that you can take it off and take it off this way. But this is almost like a tattoo where it's permanent until you cut it off. The chain I used is gold filled, and I'm going to put a card up there that you can click that talks about the difference of welding solid versus gold filled, and below is a link to the chains that I wholesale, as well as some more information about the micro welder that I've used in this video.